The Thanksgiving Day progression event is now live on Rollercoin. Let's check out all the rewards that you can receive in this progression event and more right here on That Techo Guy. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so let's jump right into it. On my screen here, you can see the homepage of Rollercoin, and at the top here, we can see Thanksgiving Day is one of the events that is currently going on, and this is the progression event that is currently going on, and this actually started yesterday evening. If we click on more details, we can see more details for this event, and we can see that the Roller Thanks miner is the most powerful miner that you can get in this event with 6.78 petahash per second. That is quite a significant amount of power. If we go down to the quests, we can see that when you get to a higher difficulty level in the game, you get 500 points. When you spend 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace and except in the crafting offer, you'll get 1000 points. When you spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, you'll get 100 points. And when you spend 1 RLT for the crafting offer, you will get 5000 points. So those are the quests, and remember that all the points here are without the multiplier. And when you do get a multiplier, you will need to obviously multiply the points according to the multiplier that you have. And I can tell you right now that the multiplier duration is for 2 hours for this progression event. So you've got a little more time to be able to complete the quests and get more points and get more rewards. Like I always like to do, thanks to Piero and the list for this progression event, we're going to go through the list of rewards. So here you can see that there is a total of 35 levels. So this is a longer progression event than usual. Starting at level 1, we can see that you can get 30 RST. Level 2, there is a temporary bonus power of 500 terahash for 7 days. Level 3, you can see that you can get 0.35 RLT. We've got a couple of Burge edges here in different variations from level 4 to level 8. More temporary bonus power at level 9 with 1 petahash for 7 days. Crimson Spark at level 10 with 20 terahash and 0.5% bonus attached to it. If you don't already have the miner, just always remember that for the bonus power to apply, you do need to place the miners in your room. Hash's Egg at level 11 with 21.6 terahash, 100 RST at level 12, Hash's Rack 8, which will give you a 7% increase in power for each and every miner that you place on that rack, and you can get this at level 13. Level 14, we've got the Lush with 24 terahash and 0.5% bonus power attached to it. We've got Roller House at level 15 with 55 terahash, but no bonus attached to that one. 500 RST at level 16, another Roller House at level 17, so you can potentially merge the one that you get at level 15 to create an uncommon Roller House and get some bonus power there as well. Jallier in the rare version with 137 terahash with 0.55% bonus power. Neon Rack 8, this time with 6% bonus power for each and every miner that you place on the rack at level 19. Declarator 407 Plus at level 20 with 407 terahash and a 4% bonus power attached to that one if you don't already have this miner already. More temporary bonus power at level 21 with 3 petahash for 7 days. Sweet Stealer, level 22, rare edition here with 159 terahash at 1.66% bonus power attached to that one as well. We've got the rare Roller House at level 23, 379 terahash at 0.96% bonus power. Nightly Paradise, level 24 with 560 terahash per second with 1.5% bonus attached to it. Level 25 with more temporary bonus power with 5 petahash for a whole week as well. We've got the Water Soaker at level 26. This is the uncommon version, and it'll give you 223 terahash with 0.53% bonus power attached to that one as well. Americana at level 27. This is going to give you 227 terahash, 0.25% bonus power attached to it, and that is the rare version. Again, the rare version of the Survivor at level 28 with 516 terahash and 2.21% bonus power attached to that one. Another rack at level 29 7% bonus on the festive rack 8 here, so you get 7% increase for each and every miner that you place on that rack. We've got 2 perfection miners at level 30 and 31 respectively, with 400 terahash for each miner with 3% bonus power attached to that miner. You will only get obviously one of the bonuses, so if you put both in your room, you're only going to get 3%, you're not going to get both. You can potentially merge those two to get more power and more bonus power and place that in your room instead. Level 32 Freedom Finder, 520 terahash with 1% bonus power. We've got 1200 RST, that is quite a significant amount of RST at level 33. American Dream at level 34 with 704 terahash and 4% bonus attached to that one. And last but not least, at level 35, we've got the Roller Thanks with 6.78 petahash and 4.99% bonus power attached to that one. You do need 20 million points to get the Roller Thanks, so that is quite a significant amount of points that you need. But this time, we do have a multiplier where you can exchange your crypto to RLT, and for every 5 RLT that you exchange from your crypto, you'll get a ×1 multiplier. So it's not like the usual where you need to exchange 10 RLT from your crypto to get that ×1. So this time you've got, like, let's call it a Black Friday sale here on the multiplier with 50% discount on the multiplier as well. Speaking of discounts as well, later on today, the 29th of November at 3 p.m. UTC time, there will also be a discount on Dodge. That will be a 35% discount on Dodge. Fill in the form below this video for your chance to win some RLT from me, and this discount will be on until 3 p.m. UTC time on the 1st of December, which is Sunday, which is the same time that this progression event ends. So I would actually exchange my crypto with Dodge with that 35% discount of Dodge, okay? And then actually get that multiplier there and then, because you'll obviously be exchanging less of your crypto to RLT, giving you the chance to get more rewards because you'll have a larger multiplier. And right now as well, you'll need to spend less of your RLT to get that multiplier. Obviously, the progression event is longer, so keep that in mind. And the total amount of points that you need is this 32.5 million total number of points. But then again, you are getting a couple of discounts here to enable you to be able to get all of these rewards, which will total 11.3 petahash in minus power, 26.34% in miners bonus power, which you get attached to the miners, 8.5 petahash in temporary power, and 1830 RST for this entire progression event. Okay, so if you get all those rewards, you'll be getting all of those totals. Obviously, for the power to count, for the miners power to count, you do need to place the miners in your room, and same goes for the miners bonus. And if you already have those miners in your room, not all of that 26.34% miners bonus will count. So remember to fill in the form below this video for your chance to win some RLT back from me. Be sure to select, obviously, That Techo guy in the form as your favorite YouTuber. I thank you in advance for your support. So when depositing Dodge, just fill in that form and you'll have a good chance of winning some RLT back. Okay, so keep that in mind. So that is pretty much it for the progression event Thanksgiving Day. And I wish all the Americans out there a happy Thanksgiving as well. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.